Diego from NutriAdmin here, and this is just a quick video to explain how to sign up for the affiliate program and how to generate links correctly. So to start with, you should go to nutriadmin.com/resources/affiliates, or you can just go to nutriadmin.com and click on the affiliates link here on the bottom. And this will take you to this page, and you can click here to join the affiliate program. So when you click there, you're going to see a page like this, and all you have to do is to create your name, email, and password. And the email should be associated with a PayPal account. That is where you will receive your payments once you make any affiliate commissions. And you can change it later if needed. Right, once you create your account, it takes a minute and you will see a dashboard similar to this one. And this dashboard is going to tell you how many visitors have used your link whenever you put your link in your content, website, etc. Leads are the number of people that signed up for NutriAdmin, and conversions will count once the people that signed up for NutriAdmin have made a payment. So essentially, leads are people that are doing a free trial and haven't necessarily paid yet. And now, importantly here, this section will show you your link. So the way it works is you can take any link to NutriAdmin, you see nutriadmin.com, and you need to append this text in here. So question mark, via, equal, and then this will be your name or a combination of characters that uniquely identifies your account. So in this case, don't use this one, test. This is just an example. For example, if your name is John and you signed up using the name John, probably this will say John, or it may say John plus a number, something like that. You can copy and you can edit this link as well if you want to change it to something else. But as it says here, the previous one will not work anymore. So now, once you have that link, all you have to do is you can go here to our docs, nutriadmin.com/docs, till the affiliates, or you can just go to NutriAdmin docs and navigate here to affiliates. We have some articles here, and we have this article specifically creating affiliate links. So it's explaining what we're discussing here, and we just have a couple of links here that are preferred. So ideally, you would use one of these links if you can. For example, these are links to the main pages that are most likely to lead to conversions. So software for nutritionists is the main page, software for dietitians, software for coaches, software for personal trainers. And what you have to do is to take that link. So let's say I'm going to copy that link address and paste it here in my browser. And I'm going to delete this question mark here, and I'm going to put question mark via equal test. Or in your case, again, if your name is John, via John, or whatever the code is. So let's imagine I have this via test. So this is a link that goes to the main page. And now in my, in your website or content, you can add any clickable text that goes to this link. And if somebody signs up for a free trial and they started their session with this crucial component here in the URL, then this will count as a referral for you. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can post your link and send us a question at affiliates@nutriadmin.com, and we can have a look to check that it's configured correctly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.